Hello and welcome to Zulu Mama channel, where I take you on a journey of learning. In today's lesson, I'll teach you 10 essential Zulu words to recap and kickstart your learning. These are the words you'll hear more or use often. If you are new to this channel, welcome. I am Zulu Mama, and in this channel we learn isiZulu together. Sanibona, ngiyanimukela futhi leli khasi lethu lapho sifunda khona isiZulu. If uqala ukungena, ngiyakwamukela. NginguZulu Mama. Khasi ke sifunda isiZulu ndawonye. Stick around till the end because I'll give you a quick tip on how to use these words in a conversation. So let's get started. The word cha is no. Cha. Yebo. Yebo is yes. Yebo. Sala. Sala is stay. Sala. Unjani. Unjani is how are you? Unjani. Hamba. Hamba is go. Hamba. Ukudla. Ukudla is food. Ukudla. Amanzi. Amanzi. Amanzi is water. Amanzi. Ngiyabonga. Ngiyabonga is thank you. Ngiyabonga. Sawubona. Sawubona is hello. Sawubona. Ngiyakuthanda. Ngiyakuthanda is I love you. Ngiyakuthanda. Does any of these words sound familiar to you or you've heard them before? Let me know in the comments and try and practice them and see which words you can remember or you can try and say them first time. Now let's do a quick recap and my daughters will be joining me. We're going to be saying these words again together.
Sanibona.
Cha.
Cha.
Yebo.
Yebo.
Sala.
Sala.
Unjani.
Unjani.
Hamba.
Hamba.
Ukudla.
Ukudla.
Amanzi.
Amanzi.
Ngiyabonga.
Ngiyabonga.
Sawubona.
Sawubona.
Ngiyakuthanda.
Ngiyakuthanda.
Before we end this video, as promised, I'm gonna give you examples of how you can use 2 or 3 words together in a sentence or to make a full conversation. For these examples, you can pause the video to make it easier for you to learn these sentences. First one is you can combine sawubona and ngiyabonga to greet someone and thank them like this. Sawubona, ngiyabonga ukungamukela. Hello, thank you for welcoming me. Second one will be sawubona, ngicela amanzi. Hello, may I please have water? And last example is sala kahle, ngiyakuthanda. Stay well, I love you. Which of these words are you gonna try first? Please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Zulu learning lessons. See you next time. Sala kahle.